Good morning, my sunshines, my friends, and fellow keto and keto carnivores. This morning we are going to be making the best waffles you've ever put in your mouth. What goes in these waffles? 3 ingredients. Very simple and oh so delicious. So what are we going to put in them? We're going to put some peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, oops, almost dropped it, and 1 egg. So let me get to that and show you how I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to put it in my waffle maker. Alrighty, got my 3 ingredients in here, and as you can see, I'm giving it a good whisk until I get it like the very consistency that I want. Everything mixed together, and you will not believe how good these are. You're going to be amazed. Amazed, amazed, amazed. I'm going to put 1 stevia in here. Make it just a little bit sweeter. There we go. And you're going to say, well, how long do we cook this? You cook it for 3 to 5 minutes in your small waffle maker. And this will make one great waffle. Let me get that off of there. Oh my goodness. Okay, waffle maker's ready. So let's put it in there for a great, simple, nutritious breakfast. Now let me move this back, and there's my waffle maker. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to give it a spritz of Pam, just a little, so it doesn't stick. Alrighty. Like I said, you're going to cook it in this waffle maker for 3 to 5 minutes. I usually just cook mine 3 minutes. Put that down. And in a few seconds, I'm going to show you the finished product. Alrighty, let's see how this waffle's doing. And voila! How beautiful is that? That is a great shuffle. Heading for my tummy. Oh, so good. I'll put a little butter on it and 2 tablespoons of Mrs. Buttersworth, and I'm in for some good eating. Alrighty, here's a bite of this delicious chaffle. It's so delicious and crunchy. Pure divine. Feel like I'm cheating, and I'm not. And I continue to lose weight, so I hope you all enjoyed, this video. And I'll make some more cooking videos real soon about the carnivore diet, and sometimes I add in a little keto. Talk to you later now. Bye.